Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic that how we can make a simple project plan in Microsoft project. So today we shall make a very simple project plan by using the MS project. So let's start friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. So friend, we are just making a very simple project plan. Like I'm entering a task 1 here, which is of duration, for example 2 days. Okay, and you can see from here what I can do. The start date, for example, so you can see that I have made enter a task 1 of 2 days. So this is the area where I enter the task, and this is, you can see from here, the timeline is mentioning. So this is called as Gantt chart. Gantt chart has two section. In the first section we enter the task, then duration, then start date, and then finish date. Okay, so this is the panel, or and this is called as the automatic or manual settings. So this is the task section, and this is the timeline section. Here you can see this is called as the status bar. Here it is showing that new tasks are added, and it is the manual. This is showing is as the setting is manual for task. So in that way you can just make a very simple plan of having task 1 in the MS project. Now this is option available file. Here you click on that file. You can save the Microsoft project plan, save as, open, close, info, resend, new, print, save and send, or help. So many options are available, especially save option is available, print option is available. Okay, from here you can create a new blank template using this blank project. Then friend, if you see from here, this is the info section. Info section means that, for example, you can activate the product, manage the accounts, organizer, and here this section is showing you the information means that when this project start date, finish date, schedule from, current date, status date, project calendar date, priority. So all the project information which is you are making, it is showing here. And also you can use the advanced properties and project statistics from here as well. So friend, this is a very simple video which we have made. So now then you can click here on the file option. Okay, you just came back here on the main view of the project. Okay, then what you can do, you can click on here file and save option, and then you select the location where you want to save the file. Just put the name here, and this is the MPP file. Remember that Microsoft project file extension is always .mpp, that means Microsoft project plan. So select the location, put the name here, file extension is .mpp, and click on save, so you can save the file. Also you can use the save as option as well, like a file is already saved and you want to make a copy of it, for example, so you can use it from here as well. You can also print from here as well. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. This is a very simple and basic tutorial for Microsoft project plan. So thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you friends.